lalaki?
Ha?
Anong tipo mo sa lalaki? Yung mabilis siya.
Guwapo, tall, provider, much money.
Much money. Tipo sa lalaki?
Bright, emotionally intelligent.
Hindi siya gusto mag-impress. Ano pa?
Ano pa ba?
Gwapo.
Guwapo.
Gwapo. Tangkad.
Ha?
Tangkad.
Yeah.
Pasok. Kung ikaw ay naka long sleeves, ang congratulations! Our winner is Grabe kang iba. Ulitin nga natin. Gusto mo yung emotionally intelligent, guwapo, matangkad. I have here 3 names, and I would like you to bring me these guests for a special prize. First, bring me, matangkad gusto mo, single, Mr. Camilo Garcia. Come on, Camilo. Next one, bring me another matangkad. Bring me Hugo Petit. Hugo. At the back, sir, at the back. What's your time? Yeah, physically, what do you like? Please step forward, sir. You like?
Shorter than me for sure.
Shorter than you?
Yeah. Dark hair, yes.
Darker? Yeah, pasok. Go CC, pasok.
Personally, yeah, like Latino vibes.
Latino. Ay, pasok ka, pati nga. Latino, pasok. Thank you so much, Camilo. Would you love to have a Filipina? Can you consider a Filipina?
Yeah, why not?
Of course. Baka palakpak ka lang, magkalaban kayo. Okay. This one is Hugo. Hello, sir. What's your type? When we talk about girls, what do you like?
Brunettes.
Brunette. How about a Filipina?
Very beautiful. Oh,
Very beautiful, all of them. Goodbye. Oh my God. There's another one speaking in English. What's your name, sir?
my name is Ryan.
Wow. What a nice name, Ryan. You from? Gawas na, Joy. Eh, ano na, sir? Asa ka ganyan?
City.
Cebu City. Anong tipo mo sa babae?
Maganda. Tapos medyo bastos. Ay,
Maganda, pero medyo bastos. Sir! Nakailang nobya ka na ba? Nakailang nobya ka na?
wala pa.
Wala pa. Virgin! Oh my God, ew! This is very rare. Ano ang tipo mo sa babae?
Basta bayad.
Basta?
Basta bayad.
Hanala! Sigurado! Basta babae, sure na sure tayo dyan. Sir, good evening. Ano po ang tipo niyo pagdating sa mapapangasawa?
Beautiful outside and in.
Ay, parang beauty queen, ano? Beautiful inside and out. Now, kailangan niyo siyang ligawan. You need to court her. But the twist is, if dili nila siya basta-basta ka ligawan sa Bisaya, ano ang ligaw? Panguyaban, dili lang ni basta-basta panguyab. Because we have here visitors from other countries, Camilo and Hugo. Kailangan ligawan kanila. You have to court her using Visayan dialect. Now, the 3 of them, of course, para patas, liligawan niyo siya in English. Dapat patas. Okay. Okay. Now, the 2 of you, I would like to request from the crowd, you can coach them. Now, pwede silang lumapit sa ating audience. Please assist our 2 foreigners. Yung grupo ni Camilo, di kayo dito, turuan niyo to. Anong sasabihin niya? Your line for Eve. Her name is Eve. Now, bring it on.
lamig ang sisig, pero mas lamig ka Eve.
Lamig kayo!
Guapa kaayo ka.
Ang gwapo po kayo ka!
Ay, thank you, ChatGPT. In Bisaya, we don't say Nihongo. Wa, masem, instead, we say, di ko kay balo maghinapon, biro kay bawon sa pagkaon.
Okay, sir. Ano daw? Translate it in English. Sorry lang. Sir, mag-explain ka muna. English ba? Oh, English mo. Oh, ano yung English mo?
I don't know how to say Japanese, but I know how to eat you.
Here. Do you want to be eaten?
They say sisig is delicious, but squid is more than delicious than sisig.
So what is your point? So what is your point? Okay, I understand. They say, ano yung istorya hinubog pa na? Ano siya? Sisig is delicious, but squid is more delicious. Ano yung and so, was more than delicious. And so, what's the connection? To Eve.
Don't choose sisig, just choose squid.
Ay, ano din? Ang iyang pinamin, don't choose sisig, choose squid. Kinsa ang squid, sir? Muna po naman. Kinsa ang squid? Ano, klaro ba? Siya, pusit daw siya. Okay. Grabe ka tao. Sir, the last one. Your line for Eve.
Classic lang, classic. So, roses are red, violets are blue. When I see this rose, all I can think of is you.
Sisigaw lang tayo kung sino ang bet nyo. Who wants number 1? Uy, pagsakit, uy! Sisig, lami. Mas lami ka. Who wants number 2? How about number 3? Number 4? I'm good. How about number 5? Okay. We will have top 2. Obviously, from the crowd, we have 4 and 5. You guys are all amazing. We love you so much. Palakpakan po natin tong tatlong to. Thank you, Camilo. You're the best. You know what, Camilo? I have a song for you. Come on, come on, come on, come on, Camilo. Ang goal natin ay ma-impress siya ngayong gabi. Kung ipapasyal mo ito dito sa Cebu, saan mo dadalhin si Eve?
First thing mo, tanda ko if sunrise ba or sunset. If mayon siya sunrise, ato may bukid. Mayon siya sunset, anim is dagat.
Sunrise or sunset, asa ka na orasa mo, Moban?
Sunset.
Sunset. Kung sunset sa beach, bakit sa beach?
Bisura, ang important mas ma-appreciate pag gani mo ang colors sa rays of the sun kung naka sa beach. Especially with the someone special burning.
Ang sweet mo, ha? Wait lang, may tinisend niya siya, bigyan niyo nga. Ako na yun. Sige, sir, before the question. Sir, kanina. 1 to 10, look at Eve. Is she beautiful? Number?
11.
Isa pa lang katagay, 11 na. Okay. Kung si Eve muuban sa imuha balik o misamis, anong sasakyan or saang sasakyan mo ipapasakay? Si Eve.
Sa sasakyang pandagat naman.
Sasakyang pandagat ninyo. Bakit sasakyang pandagat? Dahil?
Para maranasan niyang maglakbay pandagat.
Para maranasan niyang maglakbay sa dagat at makakita ng
Speed.
connections. Ladies and gentlemen, Eve, you need to choose. Is it A or B? Everybody say the letter. Eve, the letter is?
Isulti na siya letters.
Congratulations! Letter! Naiiwan ka kasama ni Eve. Letrang! Uy, nagluya mo ka. Sa letrang B! Maiwan. Thank you, sir. You're so sweet. Hindi ka mahihirapang nakahanap. Ay, inom pa, boy. My gosh! Kailangan mo lang palang maging pusit ngayong gabi para piliin ka ni Eve. Next time, hahalikan ni Eve. Ang pusit. Okay na yun. Last but not the least, beso habang nagsasayaw. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Music for Sir